Did you get anything?
Oh, yeah.
Got some stuff. Give me. Did you get some? Oh, that's cool. This is probably the best thing we've ever got, kayaking. It's actually the first time kayak magnet fishing. I'll show it afterwards, but we got a jig head, a snap swivel, and a bass hook. I'll show you what we got later, but that's pretty cool. Start off. Land opportunity. Turtle. Cool. Second, I'm one more time. Land opportunity. A lot of rocks. Smartest thing I've ever done. One up, if not the.
Coming to you! What do you say? Here we go.
Give it to me. You got kicked out? Going on the dock and look at that. What do you, this thing's huge.
Cool.
This is what we got today. I accidentally dropped the snap swivel, but we got that huge treble hook. We got a jig head,
These here?
just a nice jig head. And then we got a bass hook that is really rusty and I will not use that.